Crypto airdrops are a great way to build your crypto portfolio basically from zero, and on the other hand also learn about new blockchains, new apps, new protocols and so on, because you do different testing, you're trying different things, and basically you're trying to learn new stuff. So in this video I'm going to talk about SUI, the new blockchain built on Move. It's very similar to Aptos when it comes to architecture. The team is also coming from Facebook, the previous Meta, and they're building some amazing technology on this new smart contract language called Move. So let's get into it. People are expecting that there will be some kind of an airdrop for community, for doing different tasks, and the best way to start interacting with the blockchain is of course installing the wallet and trying to do some kind of a stuff on a testnet or a devnet. With SUI, we have already a devnet, so let me show you how you can do some very basic stuff so far. Of course, all this is potential. It's not guaranteed that you get any kind of airdrop or whether there will be any kind of airdrop, but people are expecting that, so I'm going to cover that as well. The first thing you can do is basically you can go to sui.bluemove.net. This is a website with NFT marketplace that is coming into place. They are already working on Aptos. You can change basically from SUI to Aptos and back. But the thing that we are interested in is first of all installing a wallet and then claiming some free SUI testnet tokens. So going to sui.bluemove.net, you can basically click on connect the wallet. You won't have any wallet, but you will be able to choose. And once you click on SUI wallet, this is like the wallet coming from the SUI team. You'll be taken to Google Play Store and you'll be able to install that as a Chrome extension to your browser. And then having that, you'll be able to connect and you'll be able to also click on SUI for set. SUI for set basically gives you free tokens right away. They should appear on your wallet right away. I had some problems with making it run because it gave me a couple of errors. I need to try several times, and then I came back another day to do it. Finally it worked, so I have SUI tokens, and that's basically it for claiming part. Now I don't think you can buy anything with those tokens. However, there is one website where you can try doing different stuff, and that's SUI-names.com. I will put the link down below as for everything. And basically, this is the standard thing where you claim different names. I don't think it's working well yet. I tried. So, for example, I tried searching for some names and claiming them. So for example, this one is available. I should be able to claim that. I couldn't. I got an error that there was like some problem with the SUI devnet being reset. So I left it for now. You can also try whether that works for you. Of course, registering domains is one of the cool stuff. It's really popular with ENS domains, so it probably will be popular with SUI as well. Another thing you can do is, of course, you can join Discord. So basically going to the community, going to the Discord, you can go directly from sui.io. I will also probably put the link down below. The link is super easy to remember. It's discord.gg/sui, SUI, and that's it. And then you also can claim free testnet tokens on a Discord in one of the channels. They actually write about that in a documentation. So for example, request gas tokens. If you go here, you'll be able to see that you can join the Discord and you can basically find your address, and then the only thing you can request the address by writing !faucet and giving your wallet address, and that's basically it. There are a couple of things you can do if you're more technical. I don't think that and also if you're lucky, because there are like many problems with connecting to the devnet and so on. So you have to be lucky. If you go to the documentation, I will give the link down below also. You'll be able to see the whole instruction how to connect to the SUI devnet, because you can basically connect to the SUI devnet and also claim the test tokens directly from the command line. So it's super easy, and well, super easy once you know what you're doing, but basically it's pretty straightforward because there are a couple of commands. You have to install a bunch of stuff, a bunch of depositories, but basically you can have a node for yourself. You can have the SUI client on your computer. And this is pretty great because first of all, of course, you can start by requesting directly things. You can also do stuff that it's not possible, I think, by clicking different things. That is creating and minting an NFT. And that might be also interesting and might be something that you have to do in order to be eligible to get an airdrop. You can mint an example NFT. And this is the result. So if you want to go through that instruction on how to install everything, I will also put the link down below exactly to this thing, what you have to do in order to install that. It is pretty straightforward. You need to be lucky in order to connect to everything, but in general it should work, and you should be able to create like very sample NFT by yourself, and then be able to see that NFT on the Explorer on the testnet. As you remember with Aptos, in order to qualify for Aptos airdrop, you either had to be in the program, incentivized program, or you had to mint the special zero Aptos NFT. It might be similar with SUI, we don't know that. Maybe it's worth trying, so definitely I will give you a link to that below. So that's right now everything when it comes to SUI. I think we're like a couple of months away from the official launch. There's like still DevNet, there will be a testnet still, so there's a lot of tests going forward. A lot of things are not working properly right now, but definitely the team is super open. There are like many newcomers on Discord, so if you're interested in getting that through, don't join the Discord, see what's going on. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crypto news, crypto updates regarding airdrops and a bunch of other crypto apps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.